Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. Hey, it's Tom. We're at MCACN 2024 in Chicago, and check this display out. Whole display of multiple vehicles. It's a black and white formal, and these Mopars are from 1966 to 1971. They're all black exterior with a white interior. We do see some drop tops with white tops, you'll see, but really a really cool display. And unfortunately, I have to weave my way in and out of the crowd here, but man, oh man, just look at the quality. So now, some of these are restored, some are unrestored. Love the dog dish hubcaps. Just the display is so cool, and to have all of them in black exterior with white interior really is a cool presentation. So I just am really digging this, and I thought you would too, and so I wanted to try to shoot this. So this show was amazing. This is my first time at the show. Here's a drop top with the white interior. So this is my first time at the show, and it was a year to promote or feature Pontiacs, so GTOs, but you have a dog from every town, as they say at this show, and restored, unrestored, barn finds, and black and whites. We're not talking about 5.0. But you look at this car right here, you could just see a utility company having something like that, or a investigator, a detective at a police department, and under the hood is all business. Just a really cool display. I thought I would shoot it and drop the video for you. It's amazing the amount of muscle under the hoods of these cars. And we're working our way back to the beginning. So thanks again for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment, question.